Yeah.
See glasses?
Ah, ito?
Yeah.
Why?
Sige, here you go!
I am not ticklish.
Yakapin mo, hug him.
Ikaw muna. Pwede. Look at you. You go.
What's up, man? That's how guys hug, like this.
Aww.
Ako din, tipo ako ngayon.
Game. Ako na lang.
Ay, ako.
Naano ko sa ginagawa mo, men.
Una nga amoy ako.
Go closer, closer, closer. Yeah!
Flip mo.
Flip her. Yeah! What's he
I
doing?
gotta stop.
Juntis?
Juntis!
That's a sickness.
Panggastap mo
What
yan.
does it mean that ako ay isang babae?
I'm a girl.
Okay.
Hayaan mo, Dave. Lalambingin din kita mamaya. Yee! Pag susutin mo uli yung t-shirt mo, tell me. Ay, bangga!
Yes.
We should make our own, t-shirt. With Fatima? Nabihal ako. Bangga ang jelly. Ako naman, dali. Oy! Oy!
Room spelling! Room spelling yung name. May room spelling.
I know, it's missing an H.
Bakit ngayon ka lang? Bakit ngayon? Ang kailan na... Kantay mo nga, Pangga.
Bakit?
Harap ka kay Dave. Face to Dave. I mean, Dip.
Ay, hindi siya nakikiliti eh.
Amay ko, sing na, bakit ngayon ka lang to Dip? You're not ticklish either? Huh?
I am.
No. You are?
I am not.
Bakit parang expressionless ka?
Okay.
When she tickles you? You don't even laugh or something?
Am I supposed to laugh? It didn't tickle me.
Because it's ticklish, right?
It didn't tickle me though.
Oh, yeah, that's why. Where are you ticklish?
Where? You guys gotta figure that out.
You don't want to ask a dude.
You gotta figure it out.
Ew.
And you can't use your fingers because it's kind of hard.
Tado!
God, what's that mean?
Gago.
Oh, gago.
What's that? Gagu?
Stupid.
Yeah.
Gagu?
Yeah.
Gagu.
Gago ka.
Gagu ka?
Sumasayo ka kanina kayo niliyak ko. Ay, nasa alasihan!
Honey, na 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 na.
Oh, you heard that from when Wiz Khalifa said that? You heard it when Wiz Khalifa said that?
Hindi, sasayo na eh.
You know some people get
You know
mad about
Cedric,
that?
right?
Huh?
You know Cedric, right? You should see him do buggy.
Ang cute
How you do
mo.
the boogie? How you do the boogie?
That's all he does.
It's like this only?
That's all he does. You know, he's been leads all this stuff.
You know how to do a chef dance?
What?
Chef
Do it again.
dance? People trying to bring that back, but it's a b-boy dance.
I can see him.
Yeah, that's what I do in the rave.
Huh?
That's what I do in the rave.
Angel, ba't ka nang gigigil kay Dip?
Wala.
Yee!
Juntis, joke lang.
I am though. That's all beer and shit.
Ew. Akala mo di umiinom eh, no?
I got all residue in here.
Kasi di ba?
Sige, saya tayo. Dagdag na. Go!
Ang sweet naman! Tama na nga.
You know how to do the